Guys, Jeff farmed right up through last year, so a lot of this equipment was used that way. Some of these are parts tractors. You guys can see that. Nothing I don't need to tell you that don't already know. But there's several of these pieces that Jeff farmed with. A lot of it was used that way. The combines were used as well. This is the main tractor here that he used for his horsepower, as far as the plowing, as far as the fitting. Guys, Allis Chalmers 7010. Everything today does sell on a one-way ticket, so be the last bidder on it. Obviously, make your own inspections on it prior to bidding on it there, ladies and gentlemen. But obviously this one runs, this one drives, everything's good to go. Jacoby and Caleb did a nice job of getting the tractors going that we could. I think you got 7 out of the 10 going, new batteries and fuel. We were up and running. Ladies and gentlemen, obviously neighbor Dave put a tire on this or repaired that for him. Guys, it's got 4,400 hours, 7010 Allis Chalmers, dueled up, ready to go, and tell me what you want to pay on it. Maybe to get it out of here, maybe to get it out of here, 15,000. 15,000 out of it in here, look at 5,000. Out 1,000 out of it in here, 4,000 out of it, bubble here, 4,000 out of it in here, 4,000 out of it, 2. I'll take it, with 2, and out 3, with 3,000 out of it, 2, up here, 3,000 out of it in here, 2,000, 3, 4,000 out of it, 4,000 out of it in here, 3, 4, 5, with 5,000 out of it, bubble here, 4,000 out of it in here, cheap horsepower, guys, 5,000, with 5,000 out of the 445, 4,000 out of the 5, down 5,000 out of it in here, 45, 1,000, down 1,000 out of it in here, 4,000 out of the 5, with 5, and I'm 5, out 4,700 that, 4,700 out of it in here, 500 out of the 700 out of it in here, minute 7, about 4,700 out of. You're looking for cheap horsepower, boys. I tell you what, 4,700 out of. You couldn't go wrong. It's the price of a lawnmower. 45, 47, yes or no? I am 45, 4,700 out of the 500 out of the 700 out of it in here, 7, 75, 7, 700 out of it in here, 45, 700 out of that. So 45, $4,500, guys. Don't wait. $4,500. Put on by number 2413 on 2413. I wouldn't miss any of you guys for the world. All right, we're ready to go. Allis Chalmers, the manual's up top here, guys. 185. You bet. Standing tall on the rubber on the backside. She runs. She's ready to go. Even to get 185. Even to get out of can. Even to get out of can. Even to get out of can. 7,000. Oh yes, 7,000 out of the 70. 7,000 out of it in here. Who got 3? Let's go. At 3,000 out of the 3. 3,000 out of the 3. Up here. 3,000 out of it in here. 3,000 out of the 3. 3,000 out of who got 2? 2,000 out of the 2. 2,000 out of it in here. 2,000 out of the 1,000. Now 2. We have 1,000 out of the 2. 2,000 out of the 1 up here. 2,000 out of it in here. Now 2 here. Anybody else? 2,000. 2. Now 15. I do that. Now 2. Gotta be 2. Gotta be 2. Gotta be 2. 2,000. And now 25. Give me 500 out of the 5. And now 3. We have 3,000 out of the 3. 3,000 out of it in here. Now 3,500 out of it in here. 3,000 out of the 35. And you got 5. 35. 3,000 out of 32. Kim. 30. You can buy your first Allis Chalmers. 3,000 out of the 2. 3,200 out of the 200 out of it in here. 32. 200 out of. Are you through? Are you done? 32. Anybody else? Jesse. 3,200 out of it in here. 3,000 out of the 3,200 out of it in here. 3,000 out of the 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 200 out of the 3,000. 3,200 out of the sold. 3,000 out of 3,000 out of the buyer. 2429. Appreciate you, buddy. 2429. Now, a little different story here, guys. Allis Chalmers 170. Same deal. The manuals are on the top here, guys. Make sure you take them along with you. 170. Allis Chalmers starts and runs. Sorry. Yeah, just make sure they tell us when. Yep. Correct. Yep, that's correct. All right, Allis Chalmers 170. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down again. You bet. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down again. 8,000. 8,000 out of the way to pay. 8,000 out of the 2. 2,000 out of the 2. 2,000 out of the here. 2,000 now 25. 2,000 out of the 5. 2,500 out of the here. 2,000 out of the 5. Now 3,000 out of the 3. 5 here. 35. Now 4. Pick that up for case. $4,000. Yeah, 4,000 out of the 35. 4,000 out of the here. Is that a yes or 4? Now 4. Now 37. I'll do that. And now 4. 37. 4. Now 2. 4,200 out of a minute here. 4,000 out of the 200 out of a minute here. 42. Are you through? Are you done? 4,200 out of the 2. 200 out of the 2. 200 out of a minute here. 4,200 out of anybody else. 42. 4,000 out of the 2. One back in. 4,200 out of a minute here. 4,000 out of the 200 out of a minute here. 4,000 out of the 42. 4,200 out of the half. Sold $4,000 right here. Apollo $4,000. Excuse me. 2046. Thank you, buddy. 2046. Now we got another Allis Chalmers 170, complete with 3 weights. Same deal, runs and drives. Maybe to get a hand correct. Maybe to get a hand again. Maybe to get a hand again. Maybe to get a hand again. Maybe to get a hand bad again. Maybe to get a hand 170. It's a runner. Maybe to get a hand again. Maybe to get a hand 5,000. We have 5,000 out of the 2. 2,000 out of the 2. Now 2. Now 1,000 2. 1,000 out of the 2. 2,000 out of the here. 3,000 out of the here. 3,000 out of the 25. Now 3. We have 3,000 out of the 3. 3,000 out of the here. 3,000 3,000 out of a 3, a 3, now 35, 3,000 out of a 5, 3,500 out of a 3,500 out of a 3,000 out, 35, now 4, 4,000 out of a 4, with 4,000 out of a 35, 4,000 out of a 4,000 out of a 4,000, 35, 37, I'll do that, 37, 37, and now 4, 4,000 out of the out of a 4,000 out of a 4, 4,000 out of a now 4,000 out of a 37, 4,000, 4,000 out of a 4, 4,000 out of a 4, now 4, now 4,000 out of yes or no, 4, now 2, 42, 42, 42, 42, this will do it. 42, with 200 out of it today, 4,000 out of 200 out of it today, 42, 200 out of it today, you're down 4,200. Now you want it? 42, yes or no? 42, 42, be a nice buy. She's good and straight, the metal's good on it, 42. 42, yes or no? 42. 42. 200 out of the 2. No pressure. 4,200 out of the 200 out of it today. For that, want to be 42 before I go? Yes or no? 42. 41. I'll do that for you, old buddy. 42. 41. 42. 42. 42. 42. And now 3. You started this mess. 43. 100 out of the 200 out of the 300 out of it today. 200 out of the 300 out of it today. Out of the 2, out of the 3, out of the 2, out of the 300 out of the half. So $4,200 on the phone. 2257. Thank you. 2257. Hey, Case, can you turn that for me, buddy?
What?
All right, we got the Allis Chalmers loader tractor, guys, complete with the blade on the back. We're going to sell it with a bale spear on the front. You're getting the package. Good. Able to get it out again. Able to get it out. Loader tractor. Able to get it out again. Able to get it out again. Able to get it out. 5,000. 5,000 out of 2. 2,000 out of minute here. 2,000 out of 2. 2,000 out of $1,000. Let's go. $1,000. And now 15. 1,500 out of minute here. 1,000 out of 1,500 out of minute here. 15 now 2. Now 2. Now 2,500 out of minute here. 25 now 2. Now 500 out of the 25 and 700 out of 2,700 out of that was quick. Down 2,700 out of the 5 here. 700 out of minute here. 27. 25 7. 2,700 out of minute here. 500 out of the 700 out of it. Everybody else 27 on a cheap loader tractor. 27. 25. Are you talking to me? 27. Now 3. And now 2. 32. 3,000 out of the 2. 200 out of it. 3,000 out of the 200 out of it. Now 2. Now 2. Now 2. 3,200 out of it. 32. 3,200 out of the 200 out of it. Everybody else 32. Yes or no? 3,000 out of the 2. 3,000 out of the 2. 3,200 out of the half. So 3,000 out of the there. Put on a fire number. 2275. 275. And thank you. Hey, Allis Chalmers, good rubber, and we got the belly mower goes right along with it. Able to get down again, able to get down again, able to get down, do it.
Yeah, runs good.
This one runs good, you bet. Able to get down again, able to get down again. Rubber's good, guys, you bet. Able to get down, belly mower and all. Able to get down again, able to get down again. 2,500. 2,500 out of it, 2,000 out of it, 2,000 out of the 2, and you give $1,000. Let's go. 1,000 out of the 1, 1,000 out of it, 1,000 out of the 500. With 5, 7, now 1,000. 8,000 out of it, 1,000 out of the bottom. 1,000 out of talking to me 12. 12 now 15. 1,500 out of either one of you. 15 now 13. 15. 15. 17. 1,700 out of 1,700 out of it. You're now 17. You're living at 1,700 out of it. 15. 1,600 out of that. 16 either one. Is that a yes there? 1,600 out of it. 15. 1,600 out of it. You're now 16. You stretching or you bitten back there? 15. Oh, you're just stretching. 16. Good way to own a tractor. You're at 15. Do you want to be 16? Okay. If I get 16, will you give 17? Don't answer that question. 1,500 out of 1,600 out of negative. Now you're down 1,600 out of minute. 15, 1,600 out of a half. Sold $1,500. 2249. 2429. 2429. I thank you. All right, you bet. Maybe to get on again. Maybe to get on another Allis Chalmers, guys. We're going to sell it right along with the snow plow. I don't know if you read the Farmer's Almanac, but it's supposed to be knee deep this year. Maybe to get on again. Maybe to get on. It runs. Narrow front with the Kelly loader and the plow. Maybe to get on again. Maybe to get on again. Maybe to get on 2,500. 2,500 out of it. Now 500. We'll go again. 500 now 7. With 700 out of it. 500 out of the 700 out of it. 5 here. 7 there. 700 out of it. 7 there. With 700 out of the 5. 7,000. 1,000 out of 1. 1,000 out cheaper today. 1,000 out of it here now. 1,000. You want to be 8? 7, 8. 800 out of the 800. Now we're selling with the plow and all. 800 out of the 800 out of it today. 700. 800 out of it today. Anybody else? $800. $800. 800. Still 800 out of it today. 999. Bring your average down. 900 out of the 900 out of it today. Are you done? 800 out of the 900 out of it today. 800 out of the 900 out of it today. $800 to $900. Sold $800. Won't come in all right too much. 2418 on 2418. Thank you. Now we get the Allis Chalmers.
I thought you were for me, and here you bought it.
Get the sheet metal. I think Kim got everything put together for us here. All the metal. You're getting it all. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again, maybe to get out here too, maybe to get out. This one was one of his project tractors, guys. We did not get it up and running, but we think we got the sheet metal and everything put together with it. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again, maybe to get out. 2,000, 2,000 out of a two, 2,000 out of it. You want to give $1,000, buddy? 1,000 out of a monopoly. Now 12, 1,000 out of a 1,200. Now 1,500 out of it in here, 1,700 out of it in here. Now 1,700 out of 17 and 2,000 out of a two. Now 2, 2,000 out of 18, 2, 2,000 out of a two, 2,200 out of it in here. 20. Don't listen to Dad. Listen to us. You'll be better off. 22. 20 now 5. 2,500 out of a 200 out of 1 to be 300 out of it in here. Now 3. 200 out of a 3. 300 out of it in here. 2,300 out of a 200 out of a 300 out of it in here. Now you're through. Now 5. 25. 25 rock. Now 25 7. You get 2,700 out of it in here. 500 out of a 700 out of it in here. 7 be it 7 bound. 2,700 out of it in here. If here now 700 out of it in here. The crew member. 2,700 out like the hat. 2,700 out of the here. Now 2,700 out of the hat. Sold $2,500. You bet. I put them on 2450. 2450. Rock drone sprain for all your sprain needs. You bet. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. Allis Chalmers. Maybe to get out again. Another project tractor, guys. Buyer to not be running, but buyer looks like sheet metal's with it. She's ready to go. She's got the fenders still on it. Got one pretty good tire there, Louis. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. $1,000. We have $1,000 at the bottom. Pay for $1,000. We got 500. 500 out of it today. 500 out of it today. You're now 5 now 500 out of it today. You want to get 300, 300, now 4, 3, 4, 400 out of the 300 out of the 400 out of it today. 3 there, 4 here, now 5 here, 500 out of it today. Now 600 out of it today. 6 here, 500 out of 600 out of it today. Now 600 out of it today. Pretty high, 600 out of 3. You bet. Pretty cheap entry level tractor if you're looking to wrench on one. 600 out of 550, 550, 550 out of it today. 550 out of it today. 550 out of it through. Now you done anybody else? 550 out of it today. 5 half there. Now 550 out of a half. Sold $500. Your way, Caleb. $500.
2260.
2260. Got another narrow front. You bet. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out. This one was not running either, guys, but she looks complete. She looks good. Narrow front. Series 2. She's ready. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out. You bet. Again. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out. 1,500. 1,500 out of it today. Who 5? With 500 out of the bubble. 500 out of it today. 500 out of it today. You're down 5 here. 5 here. 500 out of it today. Today. 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6 here. 600 out of it today. 600 out of it today. 500 out of it. 600 out of it today. 600 out of it today. 600 out of it. 5.5. And now 6. 5.5. 600 out of it. 600 out of it today. 6 now half. 615 out of it today. Come on, guys. 657. 7 or not. 700 out of it. And now half. 700 out of it today. 750 out of it today. Now half. 750. 7. Hello, Mom. 750 out of it. Now 800 out of it. 800 out of it. 800 out of it. 800 out of it today. 800 out of it. 8 now half. 8 half. 850 out of it today. 800 out of it. 900 out of it. 900 out of the 9, 900 out of the 9, 900 out of it, 9 now 9 and a half, 950, 950, 950 out of 1,000 out of it, 1,000 out of it, 1,000 out of one arm, 1,000 out of the 1, that's good, 1,000 out of it, 1,000 out of it, 1,000 out of the 1, here, 9,500 out of the 1,000 out of the half, so $950, we're going 660, 2260, thank you. White 7,300. We're going to sell it with the great head already on it. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again, maybe to get out. What? Come on, time. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out. And he used this right last fall, correct? Used this machine last fall. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again, maybe to get out 2,500. 2,500 out of it today, 2,500 out of it today, $1,000, now 1,000 out of it today, 500, with 500 out of it, 500 out of it today, 500 out of it today, now 5 here, combine derby, 500 out of it, 5, with 500 out of it today, 500 out of it today, now 5, RES might even sponsor to be given up, with 500 out of the 5, now 500 out of the 5, who 2, 200 out of the 3, gotta be 3, Jack, now 300 out of the 3, 300 out of the 4, 5, 500 out of the 5, now 600 out of it today, now 700 out of it today, 6, 7, I 7. 6, $700 out in here, $600 to $700 out in here, 6 here, rain this fall, $700, $600 and a half, I say, now 7, 7, and now half, 7 and a half, with $750 in here, 7 and a half, $800 in here, $800 on a mate up here, $800 on a mate. No, thank you. $800 on a way, $800 on 7 and a half, and $800 in here. Anybody else? Are you guys done yet? $800, you got a phone bill, you're looking for a sponsor, $800, $800 in here, 7 and a half, here, $800 and a half, sold, $750, 2429, 2429. Hey, don't go away, we got the 4-row head. Even to get out again, even to get out again, even to get out 4-row corn head, even to get out again, even to get out again, 300. And $300 out of it in here, $300 Louis, one upgrade, $300 out of it in here, 100, yeah, $100 out of it in here, now one here, $100 out of it in here, careful buddy, 100, now half, 100 out and a quarter, yeah, 100 out and a quarter, now half here, $150, 150, 150, now 75, now 2, 200 out and a 2, now quarter, and now half here, $250 in here, $250 in here, now 75, 275, now 3, 3, now quarter, with $300 out and a quarter here, they make those rolls out of copper now, 3 and a quarter, 300 out and a quarter, but out of it in here, 300 out and a quarter, but out of it in here, 3 and a quarter, sold $300, same way, 2429, thank you. Now, we are going to sell the combine, and if there's no objections, we're going to leave this head with it, we're going to sell the other head separate, right? Okay, you guys all right if I put this as a package deal, head and the combine? That's good. Even to get the grain platform and cart sells separate. Even to get John Deere, same deal, starts and runs. Even to get 2,500. 2,500 out of it in here, 2,500 out of it in here, $1,000. Let's go. 1,000 out of the bomb, 1,000 out of it in here, 1,000 out of it in here, 500. 500 now 7. We have 500 out of the 700 out of it in here, 7 bid, 7 of the bomb, 700 out of it in here, 500 out of the 700 out of it in here, 7 here, 7 here, 700 out of the 5 and 7. 5 and now 6. 500 out of the 6 here, 600 out of the 700 out of it in here, 800 out of it in here, 800 out of the way. With 700, 800 out of the way to pay, 800 out of it in here, starts and runs, $800, 800 out of 800 out of the way. Anybody else? 700 now 9, 8, 9 now 1,000. $1,000, $1,000, hey, 1,000 out of the bomb, 1,000 out of it in here, 1,000 out of the bottom here, 1,000 out of the bond here, 9 now 50, 9 and a half, 9 and a half. What's your time worth, Louis? 950. You can finish a little earlier. 950 with 900 out of the half a dollar in here, 900 out of the half a dollar in here, 9 and a half here, 950 out of the half. So $900, Jack. 1101, 1101. That's what I said. 1101, isn't it? Still 1101. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again, maybe to get out now. We got the John Deere grain platform with the cart. Maybe to get out again, maybe to get out again. 500, 500 out of it in here. Look at 2. At 1, and now 2. We have 100 out of it, 200 out of it in here. 1, 1, 2, 2, 200 out of it in here. 150, and now 2. And now half here, 250 and 300 out of it in here. 3 and a half here, now 300 out of a half a dollar in here. Now 3 and a quarter. 300 out and a quarter. 300 out and a quarter of it out of it in here. Go to there, go to here, quarter of it out of it in here. 300 out and a quarter of it out of it in here. 300 out and a quarter of it out of it in here. 3 and a quarter. So $300 in there. 300 out of them there. 2, 4, 6, 1, 20, 461. Thank you. Hey, we got the case loader. She does run. We brought her out from the woods a little bit ago. This one, guys, it'll start. I did not. It'll start. It'll run. The one track from time to time will come off. All right. So just make sure you only spin in one direction. Maybe to get it out again. 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 Maybe to get it out 2,500. 2,500 out of it in here. 2,000 out of it in here. 1,000 out of it in here. 500. 500 out of the 5 and out 2 and out 5. We have 500 out of it in here. 500 out of 700 out of it in here. 7, 6, 7 and now 8. 800 out of it. 800 out of it in here. 700 where you at, Case? $800 and now 9. We have 9 now 1,000. Now 1,000 out of 11. 11 about 11. That's 1,200 out of it in here. 1,300 out of it in here. 13, 14. Now 14. 1,500 out of it in here. 1,600 out of it in here. 15, 16. I got a lot of quitting you. 1,600 out of it. 15, 1,600 out of it in here. 15, 16. How you doing, Smitty? 1,600 out. What happened to the dog? 1,600 out of it in here. 15, 16, 15. Now 1,600 out of that. So 1,500 out of 1,500 out of 2407. She find a neighbor. 2407. Thank you. Hey guys, if you're looking for any puppies, Smitty's going to have some for sale before too long. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out. Allis Chalmers plow. 1, 2, 3, 4 bottom. Maybe to get out the model frame. Maybe to get out stored inside. Maybe to get out with the manual. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. maybe to get out of here, maybe to get out $1,000. How you doing? With $1,000, $1,000 bid in here, 500. With $500 bid in here, $500 double pay, $500 bid in here, now 2, now piece, now 3. With $300 bid in here, $300 bid in here, 2, 2, 3, $300 bid in here, $300, $250. Who needs a plow? $250. With $200 and a half a dollar bid in here. Anybody else? $250. $200 and a half. Gonna do it. $250 bid in here, half a dollar bid in here, $250 bid in here, now take there, now half here, now $250 and a half. So $200, $22.60. $22.60. Thank you. Hey, got another 4 bottom. Hey, to get down again. Hey, to get down again. $200 again. Hey, $200 bid in here now too. $200, $100. 100, quarter, 100, quarter. Hey, $100 and a quarter dollar bid in here. $100 and a $25 bid in here. $125. $100 and a $25 bid in here. $125. $25 bid in here. $125. Thank you. I'm $125 here, $25 bid in here, $100 and $25 bid in here, $125. So $100, sir. $100 from the buyer number. Need to make it there. $100 from the buyer. 261 2261. Thank you. Hey, we got another plow. Maybe get out again. Maybe get down 4 bottom. Minus bottom. Maybe get down like 3ish. Maybe get out again. Maybe get out here. Maybe get out again. Maybe get out again. 100. Yeah, $100 in here. 4 meter now 50. Now 75. On 75 kills now 100. Yeah, $100 and a quarter. $100 and a quarter. Half here. $150 in here. 75 here. 175. 175. 60. 160. And now 75. $175 in here. $175 in here. 75 here. 60 there. Now 75 and a half. So $160, $2260 on 2260. Thank you. Hey, we got another 3 bottom. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. 100. Yeah, $100 in the name. $100 in the name. $100 in the name. 100. 50. Is that what you said? 50. 25. And now 50.
Yeah.
Now 75. Is that a yes? Now 100.
No, thank you.
Thank you. 75. 85. Out 85, watch yourself. 85, workers claim. Out 85, into here, 75, 85, 85, 85. It weighs up, I can tell you. 85, into here, 75, 85, 75, 85 and a half. So, $75, young man. 2262, 2262. Appreciate you. Now we have to transport this. Hey, to get down, same deal used last year. Hey, to get down again, hey, to get down again, hey, to get down, transport this, hey, to get down again, 500. With $500 in here, 2, $200 in here, 2, gotta be 3,
No, thank
2 and a half, 250, flip away, with 250, now 3, 3, now half here, 350, $400 in here, 4 and a half here, $450 in here, 4 and a half, 450, I'm putting on that enough horsepower in here, 4 and a half, 450, now $500 in here, 500 and a half, 5 and a half here, now $550 in here, 5 and a half here, now 5 and a half here, 550, 550, 550, anybody else, $550 in here, now half a dollar in here, now 550, so $500. 2472, 2472, thank you. We got the 4 transport. Hey, to get down again, hey, to get down again, need to get down, you bet, look in. Hey, to get down 4 transport this, give me to get down again, 100. Yeah, $100 bid in here, 100 bucks, let's go. Now half, $100 and a half a dollar bid in here, 150. Yeah, $100 and a half a dollar, watch your ears. $100 and a half a dollar bid in here, 1 1/4. Yeah, $100 and a quarter, transport this, boys, use right along, extra tire goes along, 100 bucks, 100 and a quarter.
100 bucks.
I already got 100, got to be 100 and a quarter. Now half.
Yes.
Now 75.
2.
Now a quarter.
No, thank you, Ed.
$200 and a quarter. $200 and a quarter without a bid in here. $200 and a quarter without a bid in here. Quarter bid, quarter bond. $200 and a quarter without and a half. So $200, 2429, 2429. And thank you. Hey, we got the cultivator. Hey, to get down Oliver. Hey, to get down again. Hey, to get down. Sorry, bud. Hey, to get down again. Hey, to get down again. 100. Yeah, $100 bid in here. 50.
Yeah.
Now, oh, you got to be 75, Jack.
Yes, sir.
Now 100.
100.
Now quarter,
Yes.
and now half, 150, we have $150 bid in here, now 75 here, 175, now 2, this will do it, $200 and a quarter, we have 2 here, 2 and a quarter, now half here, $250 bid, you want to be 35, 235, and now 50, 250, you're out of trouble, $250 bid in here, 35, $50 bid in here, 35, $50 bid in here, $250 bid in here, 35, $50, and a half, so 235, young man, $230, $5 bid from there, number 2467, appreciate you, buddy. 2467. Hey, we got the cultivator with the crow's foot on the front. Hey, to get it out again, maybe to get it out again, maybe to get it out 500. With $500 bid in here, 2, now half, and now half, and now 3, $300 and 3, 3 and a half here, now 350, now $400 bid in here, $400, with $400 and a 4, $400 and a half, $450 bid in here, 4 and a half, now 5, with $500 and a 5, yes, 5, now half here, 550, 550, now $600, yeah, $600 and a half here, $650 bid in here, 6 and a half. half. 600 out and a half. And now 7. 700 out of it. And even if it's up bid, 700 out of it. And 675. 675. 675 out of it. And 675 out of it. And here now 75. And now 7. And now 7. And now quarter. 7. Now half. 750. Give me 750. And 800 a half. 8 a half. 8 now half. And 900 out of it. And here and a half. Here 950 out of it. And here sure. 950 out of it. And here 9 there. Half. Here 950 out of a half. So 900 out of 2429. 2429. Thank you. Hey, we got small leaders. Anybody want any of these separate? Anybody want these separate?
Yeah.
You do? Did I hear? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. You're getting 3 cultivators, 1 money. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down 1, 2, 3. Yep, you bet. Maybe to get all this, just not the ripper. Nope, ripper separate. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down. You bet. Look in. Maybe to get down again. Do $100 for all of them. Yep. Now quarter. Yeah, $100 and a quarter of a dollar bid in here. $100 and a $20 bid in here. 125. Resale on 30. $125. $120 bid in here. $120 bid in here. Anybody else? $120 bid in here. $125 and a half. Now 50. Now 75.
Yep.
Are you sure? $175 and a half sold. $150. 1101. 1101. Hey, we got a single tying ripper. Something you John Deere boys can pull. Hey, to get down again. Hey, to get down. Do too. Hey, to get sorry. Hey, to get down again. Hey, to get down again. Hey, do. Need a ripper. Hey, to get down again. Hey, to get down again. $100. $100 bid in here. $100 bid in here. $50. $50 bid in here. $50 bid in here. 25, Jack. $25 bid in here. 10. And now 20. $20 bid in here. You'll get it 10, 20, 30. $30 bid in here. $30. $30. Bid in here, $20 and a 5. $25 bid in here, $20 and a 4. Here now, $25 bid in here now, 5 here now, 25 here now, $20 and a half. So $20 right there. Put my buyer. 2469, 2469. Yep, that's yeah. He's going to use it as a hay hook. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out. International 510 with the cedar. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out. You bet. Again. Maybe to get out again. Maybe to get out again. $1,000. $1,000 bid in here. Who got 500? $500 bid in here. $500 bid in here. Don't pie. $500 bid in here. 500. What $500 bid in here? Who got $100 on the say? $100 on the drill. 100 half. 150. Now 2. Now half. And now 3. $300 bid in here. $400 bid in here. 4 now. 400. 375. 375 junior. $375 bid in here. $375 bid in here. 375. 375. 75. 4. 4 now quarter. $400 and a quarter bid in here. Now half here. $450 bid in here. $450. 75. 475. 475. 75. 75. 75. 75. $500 and a 5 down 5. This will do it with $500 10 point. Now quarter. $500 and a quarter with $500 and a quarter.
He's at 5?
He's at 5. You got to be 525 every other time. $500. You'll be $500 and a quarter and a half. So $500 up there. Put my bag number 2418. Good to see you, buddy. 2418. Now we've got the 4-row. Maybe to get down again. Looks like originally maybe a 6. She's down to a 4. The monitors are here, guys. Goes right along with it. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down. You bet. Look in. Maybe to get down. Deutsch. Maybe to get down again. Maybe to get down again. 1,500. 1,500 out of it in here. Look at 5. With 5. And now 6. And now 7. And now 8. Now 900 out of 1,000 out of 1,200 out of it in here. 1,500 out of 1,700 out of it in here. 17. And now 2,000 out of 2. Where are you going? You want to be 18? 18. You want to be anything? 1,800 out of with 1,700 out of 1,800 out of it in here. 1,800 out of it in here. 1,800 out of you through. No, you done. 1,800 out of it in here. 1,800 out of a half. Sold 1,700 out of 2050 on 2050. Thank you. There we got the white. Able to get down 4 bottom. 4-row. Able to get down white 4-row. Able to get down liquid fertilizer quarter. Able to get down again. Able to get down again. Able to get down 200. 200 out of the 2. 200 out of the $100, Jack. 100 out of 50. I thought so. 100. Half. Now 150. 100 out of a quarter. 100 out of a quarter out of it in here. 100 out of 20 out of it in here. Are you through? Are you done? 125. 100 out of 20 out of it in here. 100 out of 20 out of it in here. 120 out of a half sold. $100. 2429 on 2429. And thank you. Hey, you bet. Look at. Hey, you get down 4-row. Hey, you get down again. Hey, you get down do 2. Hey, you get down struck till machine. Hey, you get down again. Hey, you get down. Hey, you get down again. Hey, you get down again. $200. I tell you, 100 out of it in here. You get 50. $50 out of it in here. 75. 75 out of it in here. 75. 75. 75. 75. 75. 75 out of it in here. Are you through? Are you done? 75 out of it in here. Anybody else? 75 out of it in here. 58 here now. 75 here now. 75 out of a half sold. $50. 1101 on 1101. And thank you. Hey, we got the Massey Ferguson hay vines. Same deal used in the last few years, I believe. They able to get it out again. They able to get it out again. I able to get it out again. Last time they made hay, they used it. I able to get it out again. Able to get it out again. Able to get it out. 2. Able to get it out again. Able to get it out. 500. With 5, you'll get 2.
200.
Thank you. Now half. 250. 250, $250 bid today, $200 and a quarter, with $200 and a quarter, now half here, $250 bid today, now half, now 75, now three, $300 and a quarter, with $300 and a quarter, now half here, now $300 and a quarter bid today, $300 and a $25 bid today, now 25.50, 350, 350, where are you going? 350, I'm not done with you, is that a yes of 350? 350?
No, it's
350? Yes, good. Now 75. 375 with $375 bid here, 75, $75 bid here. Now four. $400 and a four. Sold 375. 2469. 2469. Thank you. Hey, we got the roll bar. Hey, we get out complete with the briar bush. Hey, we get out again. Hey, we get out here. Maybe $100. 50, 75, 75, and now 100, $100 out of one, 75, $100 into here, one, now quarter here, $100 out of quarter, into here, half here, $150, 75, and now 75, 175, now two, now quarter, two and a quarter, with $200 out of a quarter, that half here, 250, 250, $250 into here, $25, $50 into here, $25, $50 into here, $25, $50 into here, $250, $250, $250, you want that for $250, $250, sold, $225, $20, $260, $260, what do I think, hey, we got the 4, 5, 52. Hey, we got a round mailer. Hey, we got a can. Hey, we got a can. 500 with $500 out of I'm gonna pay you $500 out of two. $200 out of two. Now two. Now quarter with $200. How about you? 2 and a quarter. $200 out of a quarter. And now half here. $250 in here. $250 in here. 250. 225. 50. You sure?
half.
235. 50. 60.
Yep. Yeah.
75. 85.
300.
Now quarter.
Yeah.
Now half. I'm 350. I'm $350 in here. $25 in here. You can paint it orange. I'm $350 in here. 25.50. Sold through 25. 1101. And thank you. Allis Chalmers manure spreader. I bet you never found one this good. I'll give you back again. 2,000. Thank you. 25. 200. 500. Down $200 out of three. $300 out of three. $300. Now four. You got to be four, Kyle. And now five. Five the other Kyle. 607. $700 out of seven. With $700 out of 6, now wait, $100 out of me to be, $800 out of me, $800 out of me, $800 out of me, $800 out of 9, $100 out of me, $800 out of 9, now 1,000, hey, $1,000, you want to be 9.5, 950, 950, $950, Katie, you want to be 1,000, 1,000 out of one, hey, 1,000 out of one, 1,000 out of one, 1,000, now 11 to 12, 1,200 out of me, now 13, 1,300 out of me, 1,300. 12, 13 will be half. $1,200 out of a half $1 minute here. $1,200 out of a half $1 minute here. Now $1,300. 1,300 out of 13. And now half. Oh, you're late. 13.50. 13.50. 1,300 out of a half $1 minute here. 14. 14 out of us. 1,400. $1,400. 1,400 out of a minute here. 1,400 out of a minute here. 14 now. 14.50. 14.50. 14.50. 14.50. Now 1,500. 1,500 out of how much you? 1,500 out of it. 1,500 out of 1,500 out of a half. So 14.50 on the phone. 2257. 2257. Thank you, buddy. We're ready for the gravity wagon. $200. And I'll have 250 with 200 out of a half $1 minute here. Now half. Now 300 out of the 3. You want to be 75? And now 300 out of the 3/4. 3/4 half here. $350 minute here. How about you? 350. 350. 350. $350 minute here. $50 minute here. 350. Good boy. $350 minute here. $25. $50 minute here. Now 75. 375. And now 4. 400 out of 4 with 400 out of 1 over. 400 out of minute here. 400 out of minute here. 75. 400 out of minute here. 75. Now 4. Now 4. Now $400 out of the half. Sold 375. 2470. 2470. Truck for parts. Everything down again. 300. 300 out of the 3. 300 out of the 2. 200 out of the 2. 200 out of a minute here. Nothing wrong with radio. 200 out of the 2. With 2 maybe. 200 out of the 2. We get 50. 100 quarter. 100 out of the quarter. We have 100 out of the quarter. Out of a minute here. Need a project. 100 out of the quarter. Out of a minute here. 100 out of the quarter. Buck a quarter here. 100 out of the quarter. Out of a minute here. Anybody else? 100 and a quarter. Now half. 150. 75, and now 2. 200 out of a 2, now quarter, with 200 out of a quarter, without a minute here, 200 out of a quarter, without a minute here, 2 quarter, without a minute here, 200 out of a quarter, without a 200 out of a quarter, without a half. Sold $200 right there, 24, 19, 4, 19. Hey, we got the finish mower, 3 point. Maybe to get down again, 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 500. Have $500 take a butt, $500 bid in here, $200. $100 bid in here, a quarter here, now half here, 150, 75, take it 175. 2, now quarter, now half, 250. Well, 250 is up to 75, and now 3, 3, now quarter, and now half, $350 bid in here, now 3, now half a dollar bid in here, $350 bid in here, now 75. 375, now 4, $400 to 4, $400 to chat, $400 bid in here, 75, $400 bid in here, see Drew, $400 bid in here, 75, $400 bid in here, 75, $400 to 75, $400 to half, so 375, 2 4 is 3, $300 to 3, $300 to half, now 350, now 4, $400 to 4, $400 to half, here 450, now 5, and now half, $5 to half, $600 bid in here, $600 bid in here, $600 to half, $650 to 7, it's $700 to 7, it's gonna be 7 and a half, 750, 750, and now $800 to pay the figure, $800 bid in here, $800 bid in here, $800, 7 and a half, 8, and now half, 850, $800 and a quarter, $800 and a quarter dollar bid in here, $800 and a quarter dollar bid in here, $800 and a quarter dollar bid in here, now $quarter dollar and a half, so $800, where we go?